Alright,
My thoughts are
welcome back to the lab.
Monday.
Right now we're listening to this,
Monday and Thursday.
which is now on a shortwave frequency.
And the letters you're left with are the bubble over my head.
And the antenna, if we hooked up through this arrangement over here, you're seeing over here. This is our little over the top loop antenna. Take a look at the shop here. That's our indoor loop with a ferrite choke, and it has a capacitor down here. If you tune it, we'll turn up the volume again. Okay, watch. Look at the cue on this.
Let's go. But it doesn't excuse us from a spirit of complacency or saying, well, it's just not my problem. It is. And it will always be, as long as we have
Turn around a little bit, see if we can see.
to carefully.
Do something else.
And that he does not, cannot.
This is very sensitive. What else have we got? You actually have to tune it. I'm trying to look at this over here. To see. We're on, I think we're on this frequency band. That'll be on. It's the 1 second from the bottom. We're on this one. You get up to there. So I think there should be some good stuff in here. It's 40 meters. But it looks like you have to go down lower, which means it might not be tuned properly. I have a little knob I'm using.
I'll tell you, we're being very poor stewards of this planet. This planet is seriously polluted, and the most advanced countries, Europe, the United States, are seriously polluted.
Now when I take one of the clips off, watch this, of course. Nothing. You gotta put the clip on it. And not let it short it out to shield. And that's how you get that beautiful selectivity. You can also turn it. Very directed.
They control the oil, they control the nuclear industry, they control water now. And the reason they control it is because of UN and international.
Of course, this is not really what W1ZY usually does. But
climate change is all about control of water, period. That's all it ever was. It's never been about...
that is not even a line.
So
I haven't even cleaned it. Check this out. Look at this. Tuning section. There's even cobwebs. There's still cobwebs down here. You can see like down here. The cobwebs. I haven't tuned it. Anyway, there she is. There's the dial. Here's a cabinet. I did make a final selection for the resistors in the bottom. I did that, and I got this thing up here to running it on the Variac over here. I've got it up to 115 volts. It's producing the correct voltages for it. And I ran I chased it around with the 3525B. I chased it around with that, and I could chase it around the AM band. I just want to see if the shortwave worked. And I kind of stuck a into the IF. I did a couple of tuner things, and I stuck them in and tweaked it a little bit with the golden screwdriver, but I need to do a better alignment. But before we do any of that, the thing needs to be cleaned, you know, especially all the push buttons. See all the push buttons? That's AM.
See 3-year-old shot from the windowsill bathroom beside a lit fireplace or by the
And that's using this, the
One last question.
Zenith.
Would you seat your child in a car seat that's not correct for them? Car crashes are a leading
Turn this
killer
way.
of children ages
See?
1 to 13. For
Beautiful, I
their
love
future,
that.
seat them in the correct car seat. For more information, visit safercar.gov/the-right seat. Sponsored by the New York State Governor's Traffic Safety Committee.
We're planning a trip to Spain later this year.
That's AM.
It's pretty bad.
This is shortwave. And because we have a loop, we can only tune to where the loop is sensitive. We only hear. The Q is very tight. Let's see, I'm up one from AM, so that's 4 megahertz to 8. Go above that, you're on to 2, which is going to be nothing. So I'm on 4.
And see
Here he is.
of the electric world out there, providing electricity because none of the technologies that are
Some
being
controls.
offered out there work. There's one technology that does work. It's called my ring generator, but you'll never hear about it. You'll never hear about it in public because it works. All you're going to hear about is these goofy things like a balloon that sticks up in the air and lays back and forth. It's not going to even power a local
there she
7-Eleven
is.
store.
We're gonna knock off for the night.
To run your house if you had one in your backyard.
73
I have a note in my
from the lab.
notes here from my show.